Well, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Market up or market down. The market was up today. Check the brokerage. We did get a buy order filled here on NUS, 706 per share. And we've got that updated in the spreadsheet. So with the market being up, that's all we have for today with the public account. So if you're new here, consider turning the video off. Leave me a like on your way out. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new here. And for the rest of us, we'll head right into the main account. So first things first, let's take a look and update the activity. Not a lot of activity. You can see the market has done pretty much nothing for about a week. We did have some option stuff. We got paid a dividend from TPR, which is nice. And bought some XYLD. I was trying to get into a BidX option, but it didn't quite work out. But here on silver, you can see yesterday's close, 27.98 over here. C is close. I had the 28 strike. I got assigned immediately overnight. It was 28.27 on the just in the after hours. So I immediately put an order in. So not only did I collect the premium for this put, but I also sold the 100 shares right away and collected $27 per contract. So all that money went into the XYLD. So every month until it stops paying distributions, my income went up. So that's how I turn an equity that doesn't pay a dividend into a cash flowing asset. So that's what we have for the options. We do have some swing trade stuff to look through and just see. Since we have money, we're sitting on some cash. We just need to see what's out there and see if there's something that we need to put an order in for. We can also look for potential sell orders, but I did not see anything that had crazy gains to it, right? And there's a nice one. 63. What I'm seeing is the previous support, and we'll just take a look and just see if there's anything in here. It doesn't cost anything to window shop, is what they used to tell me. Oh, we're buried. Look at all these positions we got in. Every time the sucker looked like it was going to go, it flopped until now. Looks like it's finally starting to put together a little bit of a support. So we'll let that one run. Cracker Barrel. I shouldn't have too many positions, so we'll just about break even here. Nothing crazy. We're just starting to peak out. Intel we got rid of. Maybe a little premature. Probably, right? It's probably going to run like crazy. But that's all right. No worries here. I don't have really high hopes of finding anything, but we're certainly going to do our due diligence and take a look. There it is. That's an entry. Y'all see it? Pause the video, take a look. You have your EMA above the 20, the green, the blue above the green. That's it. And while there's nothing really on the flip screener, we can find opportunity in this game. That would be pretty awesome. Closing print 30.07. It's trading lower than that now, so this should fill. But the spreads are a little whippy after hours on this one. They're all just kind of different. Some of them you can get pretty good liquidity in the after hours, and some of them nothing. So nothing there, but we did get an order in. And unless this thing starts cruising on us, we'll have a double up. Cool. We got 6 more bullets. We've got money. Just need to find opportunity. All right. The only thing throwing this one off is this deal here, and I think we didn't have money when it set up for the second time. So we can't do anything about that now. Here's another one. Very clearly. Don't see the other little dot, but CTRA on the big red candle. $23.76 on the closing print. Be careful, the spreads are really whippy in the after hours on this one, so I'll be looking to put only limit orders in, right? Protect yourself. Place, nothing's filling. I'm a little late to the game, but you know, best investment you can make is in people, and that's what I was doing. I'll have to look at these pretty closely tomorrow and probably start trimming the tree if we get an up day. Right now we're just kind of waiting. We ran out of money kind of in mid swing here, but I'm not saving any money so that we can flip. I'm just following the system, all 3 strategies. When there's capital available, that's a smart time to do it. I just do it, and I don't think about it. I just do it. I thought this one was a little bit different here. It had moved in my list a little weird, like it was a flip trade, but it didn't really show up anywhere else. All right, these are the bag holder positions here. On down to the bottom half of the list. And let's take a look. We're looking to flag anything green below the 30 RSI on the daily chart. And if it's got a green, we're looking for a swing trade setup. Very simple, right? So, just kind of moving it. The silver play was pretty much all I did today. And that's enough. You don't have to do a lot every day. In fact, most people overtrade and end up doing less than the market. There's an entry. Y'all see it? Oil. It's a cool addition to the overall portfolio strategy because I have opportunity even on an up day. And but the thing that's different, you think, well, how come you don't look at flips on an up day? It's because the time horizon is different. And closing print 32.83. Always limit order. I'm not playing around with these after hours numbers. Make sure you type the right number in. Obviously, I screw that up from time to time. But I am a human. No mistake about it. All right. Head it back down. See, we can find them pretty quick, right? I don't know of a really good way to filter for these things. Plus, there's a little bit of a good thing about being hands-on in that I have touched it every step of the way. You know, should have been a flip. Turns into a swing. And then, of course, everything feeds the monthly dividend payers and that whole mess there. So there's a constant drip of money just coming into the account. And that's what allows me to continue to take positions even when, like we didn't sell any positions today, but I have money to take multiple positions. So that's kind of how it works. It takes a long time to get started, it does. But if you look at the playlist that talks about the public account, you can see from scratch to pretty current. How we turn flip trades into passive income on the investing account. And I know most of you won't care about it or appreciate it or understand it, but there are a few out there. So if you're one of those that likes trading and can see it as a huge opportunity, what's up? Boom, that's close. That's an entry too. Just paid a dividend today in the in my main investing account. I saw this dividend roll in. And it makes sense, right? Same sector, but it will move differently. And I like to be fully invested in the market, so I don't care what people are saying about, what's going to happen tomorrow or any of that mess. I love the rules-based trading approach. I do. Because I'm an overthinker on like everything. And it frees my mind. I got conviction that it works and I just execute on it. So that's all you're seeing here. It would have been easy to say, oh, the market's up, roll out. And that's what I did for years. And I was leaving money on the table for sure. And you can see me pick it up right here. Right before your very eyes. And not all the swing trades work out very well, right? We're still stuck in a few. But you'll see some really heavy hitters. And allows the best way to compound, well, not the best way, but you can compound faster when you do big chunks of money versus small chunks of money. So the flip trades generate consistent, frequent cash flow, but it's small amounts, right? So the swing trades generate larger amounts, but it takes more time, right? Cool. That's it. We got a few in. We still have some cash left, so should the screener fire up tomorrow and the market maybe goes down, then we'll be ready to take action. So let me know down below if you care about the option stuff. I'll probably just briefly mention it, but that's kind of what's been going on. It's not exclusively just silver right now, just based off of kind of what I'm comfortable with. I'm doing silver, oil, and BitX, which I was looking at today. It was very, very close. I did have an order in twice, but it did not fill, and that was down here. It doesn't look like it was close on the 30, but look at these wicks. And this is a super volatile stock. We was going to sell the put, and obviously that would have worked out beautifully. So missed out. We're $5 off. So no big deal, but that's kind of what we had going on today. Nice quiet day. Pulling more money out of the market, just like usual. Like we just locked in a nice dividend for all the money we've been putting into the charity and stuff. And life is good. So I hope y'all are doing good. Let me know down below what you're trading, how things are going. Leave me a like on the video. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new. And thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great evening.